Our days always begin with a smile that we bring into your home. We love what we do and take the time to get to know you, your home, and even your pets. Every house is different, but every house that we clean is a home. We pay special attention to details and give your home the care that it deserves. At Lady Di Cleans, we go above and beyond the cleaning experience and tailor our services to fit your needs. Our customers are placed on a regular cleaning schedule to ensure their home is maintained consistently. In addition to regular cleanings, we offer deep cleanings, move-ins and move-outs. We even offer decluttering and organizational services. We use high-quality green products that are safer for you and your family. When you think about how busy life is these days, isn't it wonderful to come home to a clean house, giving you peace of mind and the time to do what you love? That's why we say, we bring a smile to your home.